dangos ei hun.
And Ramsey.
Brennan's a very confident lad. He's very skillful.
Lleia ffasiynol.
Wayne Hennessy.
Reece Norrington-Davies, scruffiest man in football. Yeah, couldn't dress himself, save his life. I think he needs a decent shop for Christmas, I think.
Clone.
Chris Mepham.
Oh, Meps, why
Meps? He's just hilarious. He's very sarcastic and he's always having a laugh.
I find myself laughing most at, Harry Wilson, Nico Williams. There's like a group of us who play cards and just have a proper laugh, and yeah, I find myself laughing at them most.
Pranks.
Nico Williams, I don't know what he does at home, but when he gets to a Wales camp, he's just full of energy, can't sit still, always up to something. So yeah, you've got to keep an eye on him.
Yeah, like a prank. I do a lot with the Forest lads, a lot of pranks with them, but I'm limited to options here, so maybe I have to think about a few.
Banter gweitha.
Sorba Thomas.
Oh!
Y cyflymau.
Yeah, there's one man for this, Dan James, without question. Yeah, his speed's frightening.
Poser.
Brennan Johnson.
I'm going to go Connor because I think he loves himself.
Nico.
Joe Roden.
Hira I baratoi.
So boy ifanc, pob un o'n nhw.
Yeah, Connor Roberts.
Harry Wilson.
Dan James is definitely takes the longest.
Really?
He's always borderline late.
Joe Roden.
Joe Roden. Eto.